Okay, just to show, I bought a timer. This is a timer with feeder. It's feed the fish twice a day, through this device. But because it's made to attach to the wall of glass. Normally it's a glass fish tank, right? So I use this PVC pipe to hold it there. So anyway, I don't have other things, so I just use bungee cord to hold the pipe. And now the planted vegetable come out. So here, and yeah, so see, still have some sand stay on the top, and you push it, then they drop down. Anyway, yeah, this is the right side is forming a continuous thin slow water. Yeah, so pretty good. And the fish, most fish gather there. Let's see. The auto feeder just released too much food. Actually, I just adjusted. I put it into the lowest position so they won't release too much food next time. Anyway, pretty good. The reason I installed the auto feeder is because I'm gonna leave this place, go to some other place for a few days. With the auto feeder, then I can leave for a week, even a month, and then everything is automatic. Yeah, I got this timer to control how often to pump water, right? And everything is just automatic. So that's the idea.